So you want to become ISO certified to drive your business performance so that you can get things right first time, more of the time, reduce wasted effort and duplication, win more government contracts and meet your obligations, and make your management system a competitive differentiator in your fast-changing marketplace. Improve your gross margin and net profit by focusing on quality. But there is a problem. ISO standards are very detailed, written in a jargon by a technical committee expert at writing standards. They can appear difficult to grasp and look like they will take months or years to implement, at high cost and disruption to your daily business operations, without adding any real value. We understand ISO certification can seem daunting. You may even be questioning why go to all the trouble and is it really worth it? But don't be discouraged. We can simplify the changes you need to make. We have provided ISO consulting to hundreds of small to medium enterprise owners and help you transform ISO certification from a cost into an investment. Because as every business owner knows, the quality you deliver to your customer does make a difference. We help you focusing on the processes you already have to make them even better, so that your ISO certification makes a real difference. And you will see the difference in your bottom line. We specialize in real-world ISO certification, recognize what you are already doing well, and provide a practical step-by-step process to fill in the gaps and achieve simplified real-world certification. We start by looking at what you already have, answer your most pressing questions, help you build an efficient management system to meet the ISO standards with minimum changes to your standard operating procedures, eliminate wasted time and effort, and maximize the value to your bottom line. To make the QMS, improve quality to your customer, minimize disruption to your day-to-day operation, and improve your margins. We offer several pricing and delivery models, tailored to make sure you get the support you need so that you can get ISO certification done. Get an objective assessment of where you are now and how little you may need to do to meet the standards using your existing standard operating procedures with our no obligation high-level gap assessment report. Avoid wasting your valuable resources on check the box ISO certification and gain your simplified real-world ISO certification in the next 3 to 6 months through small improvements to your existing standard operating procedure, eliminate wasted efforts, and deliver high quality to your customer at better margin. So if you are ready to get started with the gap assessment or have questions, please contact me via phone at 678-257-2242 or email at sunita.verma@sync-resource.com. Get started on the ISO journey together.